Yo, what's up, everybody? This your guy Dan Tanner, the bad boy of tech. And people, this is an unboxing of the LG K30 on Xfinity Mobile. Yes, indeed, people. This is the entry-level LG phone. You know, after this one comes the Stylo 4. And after that, there's no more. But LG says, Xfinity says they're going to have more LG phones in the near future. But enough of me yapping. It's time to get to unpacking to see if this boy smack or if it's whack. Here we go. Well, okay. As far as the screen size go on this phone, 5.3 inches. You dig? LCD, 720p. As far as the battery size, 2880 milliamp hours. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool for a 5.3 inch screen. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. As far as the camera game, on the back, it has a 13 megapixel camera. Aha! And an 8 megapixel front shooter. Yes, indeed. This is the entry level device on Xfinity Mobile. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm about to pick this phone up. Take this damn plastic off or whatever. See what this boy feel like in hand. Okay, there's a little flip tab right here on the back. Okay, people, the love glove is off. Let me pick it on up, flip it around. Feels pretty cool in the hand, not bad, you know. Feels a lot better than last year's model, the one I had from last year or whatever. Okay, cool. As far as the cutouts, the ports or whatever, you got your headphone jack, micro USB right there. Then on the right side, you got your SIM slot right there. I'm gonna go ahead and slide my card in to make the coverage pop and everything. On the top, nothing but a noise canceling microphone. On the left hand side, you got your volume rocker right there. Then on the back, you got your 13 megapixel camera, your flash right here, and your fingerprint sensor / power button. Not bad, not bad. Let me turn this boy on and see what's up. Okay, cool, there it is. LG K30 is rolling on up. Okay, so far, it feels okay. All right, not bad. This is day one. All right, as soon as it boot up, I'm gonna give you my final thoughts. Okay, the phone is on. I gotta go ahead and set it up and everything, but so far it feels all right. But one gripe I got right away with the damn phone is the packaging. You see, I peeled off the stickers. Usually everything comes off when you peel out these stickers and whatever. Just a little bit of glue residue was left on, but look at this right here. I gotta put some elbow grease with this shit to get this off. LG, if you're watching, please don't ever do this. And I mean, ever do this no more. And I forgot to mention, there's a backfiring speaker also. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of outdated, but it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and run it through the ringer and come back in a day or so and let you guys know how this phone flows. You dig, you dig. So if you like what you saw and like what you heard, please give your guy a thumbs up, because that's official. Yes, indeed. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel to feel the whole swag and madness of Dan Tanner, hey, do that too, because that's official too. All right, everybody, get money, get respect, and enjoy your tech. Be easy.